Guys, welcome back. I'm getting ready to do a couple videos on the Wiim. I call it the Wiim. I'm not sure how you really pronounce that, but I have the Ultra, and that's what I stream all my music to on my system down to my Sherwood and my realistic amps. Of course, they power the Paradigm remixes, I'll call it. Love those things, man. Such a great sound from this system. But I put all my music on SSDs and I plug it into the USB port in the Wiim and I play it that way. So today we're going to go ahead and clone this so I can expand my storage space. This here is a handy little tool for this. This is the Sabrent duplicator, I'll call it. I'm not sure what their actual brand is for it, but it has an A slot you can see here, which is where you will put your source drive, and then it has a B slot. Let me see if I can get you, there you go. And you put your destination drive in here, and then what you do is you just hold this button down and it'll start cloning. So it'll copy everything from this drive over to this drive and basically duplicate it. So that's what we're going to do today. This is my original disc that was in my Wiim, and we're going to put this one in. This is a 512, this is a 256. So I want to make sure I have plenty of space for the cache and stuff on this thing because I have a lot of music on here. So we're gonna just send it from here. Let's do it like this. This will be easier for you guys to see. So this will be our A slot, this will be our B slot. We'll put it in here, we'll plug it in, and we'll go. And we'll see how easily this duplicates. And I forgot to tell you guys, I'll put a link to this down in the description. But here I've got my source disk in the A slot, my destination disk in the B slot. Now I'm gonna plug this thing in and turn it on. And I forgot to show you the back. We do have an on-off switch here. But I like to put mine in basically unplugged and everything. Now I'm going to plug the power in and we're going to flip it on, and then I'm going to show you how I clone these. Okay, so now we're going to hold down this clone button, and we'll get a blinking light here, we should, to let it know that it can start cloning. But if you look at these, this is your progress meter. That's like a quarter of the way. It'll sit there and flash, and when that one lights up, it'll blink more to halfway till that's done, then 3/4, and then full. So I don't know. We'll see how long this takes. Like I said, there's 256 gigs of data on this or so. So let's hold this in and start the clone process. Okay, guys, so we're going to press this clone button, and we're going to hold it in until we get a light. Okay, now we got the light. Now we're going to press it again. And there we go. That's how we start the clone. So right now, it is going from this one over to this one. And it's saying it's not even a quarter yet because that's blinking. So when that finishes, this will be lit up solid, and then the half will be blinking. And when that finishes, it'll light up solid, and then 3/4, and then so on and so forth. When we get all the lights solid, it'll be finished. So let's look at the watch right now. It is 9:18 or so. And we'll come back when it's done. Guys, progress update. We're working on the 3/4 full, and we're at 9:30. So what's that been, like 12 minutes? Let's call it? Yeah, I think so. Okay guys, I didn't catch the exact ending, but this is what it looks like when it's done. I'm at 9:55 right now. So within probably 5 minutes or so, I've caught this. But yeah, now we're gonna power it down, and we're gonna remove the clone drive. Not sure how to say that. But if you don't have one of these, highly recommend you get one of these. You can get them on Amazon. Now they come with like a USB-C end and a whatever that is, USB-A, I can't remember. But we're gonna hook it up to the computer and just check and see if we got our files on there. So I'm gonna power this down, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull the drive and check it out. Okay guys, it looks good. I have it in there. It says I have 62 gig free. That's not quite right, but our files are there, so I'm gonna just go through this and check it out. I won't do it to you on the screen, but yeah, there's all my music. So we're good. We are good here. I'm gonna go ahead and do properties on this and just double check it. Yeah, 188 used, 62 free. So I may put this in the partition manager and just extend the partition because when it clones, it does clone it like at a hardware level, just so you know. So I have a bigger drive, so I'll go ahead and do the partitioner like gparted and make sure we extend it. I'll probably do a separate video on this, but this is what it looks like, right? So it's labeled as USB stick, as we saw earlier. It says 238 out of 250, but I have all this about almost 250 unallocated. So what you can do is you can right click in here, you can do resize move, and then we can just do all the additional free space and resize it, and then we'll come back and check again. Okay guys, we finished our resize, so we'll just go ahead and go down here to properties. And there we go, 304 gig free. So we did it. So we'll go ahead and go through, just double check the files, make sure we didn't lose any data. We can go in here, oh yeah, we're good. So that's how we do it, guys. Super simple. If you need a separate video on gparted, now I'm running Linux, so I use gparted, but you can use any kind of partition manager just to resize and reallocate. But that's how I do it, guys. Super simple. Let me know how you do it. Leave a comment below. Let's talk about it. We'll see you soon.